Hello student, in this part of tutorial we are going to see how to write a simple C program. I have given an example here which is very simple one in which we would like to display hello on the screen. Now we know that there is a concept called as algorithm in which we need to write down the same thing in English statement. So here is a simple example. Here we can see there is a algorithm. The first step is to start the program. Second step, we need to display a hello, and lastly we need to stop the program. Now this is the algorithm which is written in English statement. Now suppose we want to write down the same program, same algorithm in C language. Then we can see at the bottom part of the program screen, here is a C program. Now whenever we are saying the first statement of algorithm start the program, we need to write down these two statements. These two statements are nothing but the start of the program. Whenever any program you want to start, you need to write down first statement as a hash include stdio.h enclosed in angular parenthesis. Then we need to write down int main rounded parenthesis, then opening curly brackets. So these three statements indicate the start of the program. Now we'll look at the second statement. We need to display hello on the screen. Now before that, we would like to go for the last statement, which is called as stopping the program. So whenever we want to stop the program, we need to write down these two statements. We'll write down return 0, a semicolon, and then we'll write down a closing curly bracket. So start means these three statements and stop means these two statements. So whenever you want to write down a program, we need to start the program by writing hash include stdio.h integer main opening brackets, and whenever you want to stop the program, we need to write down return 0 semicolon. Now we look at the second statement. We want to display hello on the screen. Now for that purpose, we need to write down the statement called as printf. Now in English, if you want to display something, if you want to show something, we are using a keyword called as display. Display in English means you want to show hello. Similarly in C language also, if you want to display something, then we need to write down a keyword, a command called as printf, and this printf I will write down simply hello. So here we write down hello and there is a semicolon. Semicolon indicate the end of statement. Just like in C language we use in English language we use a full stop to end the statement. Similarly in C language we use semicolon to end this instruction. So now you can simply understand the start means these three lines. First three lines. To stop the program, we need a return 0 semicolon, and to display anything, we need a printf. Now, there is a syntax of printf statement. Syntax means the way you need to write down the program.